Thawing crab legs, a step-by-step guide.
Hello everyone, and welcome to our video today. Today, we'll be discussing an important step in preparing crab legs for cooking: thawing. If you've ever wondered how long it takes to thaw crab legs properly, you've come to the right place. So let's dive in and learn the best methods to thaw crab legs before cooking.
Why is thawing important?
Before we get into the specifics of thawing crab legs, let's understand why it's crucial to thaw them properly. Thawing ensures that the crab legs cook evenly and thoroughly. If you were to cook frozen crab legs directly, the outer layers might overcook while the inner portions remain frozen. By thawing them first, you'll achieve a more consistent and delicious result.
Refrigerator thawing method.
The refrigerator thawing method is the safest and most recommended way to thaw crab legs. Here's how you can do it. 1. Place the frozen crab legs in a leak-proof plastic bag. 2. Place the bag in the refrigerator. 3. Allow the crab legs to thaw for approximately 24 hours. 4. Once thawed, the crab legs are ready to be cooked. It's important to note that the thawing time may vary depending on the thickness of the crab legs and the temperature of your refrigerator. Thicker crab legs may take slightly longer to thaw compared to thinner ones.
Quick thawing methods.
If you're short on time and need to thaw crab legs more rapidly, you can consider using one of these quick thawing methods. Method 1. Cold water thawing 1. Place the frozen crab legs in a leak-proof plastic bag. 2. Submerge the bag in a large bowl or sink filled with cold water. 3. Change the water every 30 minutes to maintain a cold temperature. 4. Thawing time will typically take 1 to 2 hours, depending on the size and thickness of the crab legs. 5. Once thawed, remove the crab legs from the bag and they are ready for cooking. Method 2. Microwave thawing, for immediate cooking. 1. Remove the frozen crab legs from any packaging materials. 2. Place a few crab legs on a microwave-safe plate. 3. Use the defrost function or set your microwave to 50% power. 4. Microwave the crab legs in 1-minute increments, checking for thawing progress between each interval. 5. Rotate the crab legs during the process to ensure even thawing. 6. Once thawed, it's essential to cook the crab legs immediately to prevent any bacterial growth. Remember, while these quick thawing methods are convenient, they should be used only when you're ready to cook the crab legs right away. And there you have it. Thawing crab legs is an important step to achieve perfectly cooked and flavorful results. We covered the refrigerator thawing method, which is the safest and recommended option, as well as the quick thawing methods for those who need to speed up the process. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to thaw crab legs like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!